Okay, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about a metal cutting saw from Evolution. So let me get the camera turned around and show you. Okay, this is the box that came in. I've already opened up the box. It's got a 3-year warranty on it. I didn't know that. It's the Rage 4. It's just a little 7 1/4 inch. That's all the different stuff right there that you can cut with it and everything. It's just a little 7 1/4 inch. As you can see, he's cutting a piece of what looks like maybe 2 or 3 inch, looks like 3 inch maybe, angle, which that's cool. But yeah, like I said, 7 1/4 inch. I wanted a bigger one. I wanted the 15-inch one, but at this time I couldn't afford it. And I've always wanted one of these saws to cut stuff to make it easier. And I had a chop saw, but I don't like the dust and all the sparks and everything. And these saws don't put out very many sparks, if any. And they do put out a lot of wood chips, or not wood chips, but metal chips. But that's to be expected when you're cutting. These are awesome. I haven't used it yet, but I have used them before. Not this one, but I've been wanting to get me one, so I finally did. So hopefully I can start doing a little bit of welding projects. Now I still got to get a tank from a welder, because I don't like flux core. I'm not going to use it. I hate it. But anyway, here's some more pictures of the end of the box of what all you can cut with it. That looks like maybe 3 by 3 there, or 2 by 2. I don't know. It'll cut everything I want to cut. It won't cut big stuff, but I'm not interested in cutting like a big 8-inch piece of pipe or 10-inch piece of pipe or H-beam, I-beam, or any of that U-channel. It'll cut that as long as it ain't very big. It'll cut everything I needed to cut. And with this blade, it's I guess a universal blade. It cuts wood and everything, which usually that means universal. It'll cut everything, but that usually means it don't cut very good. Anyway, let me get the box turned again and show you what it says. Alright, see it showing you right there that you can make a cut, and when you get done with the cut, it's cold. It ain't hot. You can touch it. And no sparks. And again, there's the stuff, different stuff you can cut with it. Y'all can pause it if y'all want to read that in all them different languages. 3 different languages. Anyway. Alright, so now let's move the box out of the way and get to the saw. Alright, here's the saw. This is a side view of it, obviously. You pull it down, it opens up where you can see the blade. And then when you close it, it covers the blade so that you don't cut yourself or something by accident. Alright, let me turn it a little bit here. You can see it is a little small, dude, but it'll do. Now, sorry about the shakiness. You see bolt here and then this handle, you loosen them up and you can turn this for different angles. And this, I hate this. Why can't they come up with a better solution to locking it down, like if you're going to carry it or store it somewhere? That chain hooks right there on that little hook. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. You see it in there? The chain hooks on that when it's down so you can pick it up and carry it or store it or whatever. I just don't understand that. They ought to be able to come up with a button somewhere that you can push it and lock it where it holds it down. I know a couple of the chop saws for wood has that. Anyway, whatever. That's the whole chain thing's kind of dumb, if you ask me. But it is what it is. And then this here is your handle. Oh, hold on, let me move my chair back some and slide this out. This is the handle you turn to adjust your vise up there. Now, some of them, I don't know why this one didn't come with it. Well, some of them, it has a little lever right here you lift up, and you can slide this out, put your piece in there that you're going to cut, and then slide it in against it, and then flip the lever back down, and then tighten it up. That way you ain't sitting here for half an hour having to turn this till you know, get opened up enough. That's kind of annoying. I didn't know it should have came with that. I guess the more expensive saws come with it, but this one didn't. But it is what it is. But I'm going to really enjoy this thing. I was going to cut a piece of metal with it to show you, but I don't really have a piece to cut, and I ain't messing with no wood. But I just wanted to show you this. Now, like I said, I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. I did finally get rid of the abrasive type chop saw. It was a big one. It was a rigid. It was my dad's. It finally smoked, so I got rid of it. And then I was like, well, dang, now I don't have anything to cut with. So now I do. Finally got this. Like I said, I did want the bigger one, but couldn't afford it, so I got what I could afford. And this will do. All I'm going to be doing is cutting stuff like small pipe, tubing type stuff, and maybe a little bit of angle iron, stuff like that, just for little small projects. I'm not building buildings or anything here. So this should do just fine. Excuse me. Anyway, I hope you guys liked it. I just wanted to show you. Again, this is not a review. I don't know why people hang up on that. This is just me showing you what I have. I can't tell you if it's any good or not until I actually use it. But a lot of people have done videos on these, and they say they're really good. So I hope they are. We'll see. And like I said, that blade is like a universal blade. They do actually make blades just for metal, and actually I think they make them for different types of metals, and then they make one for wood. You know, if you're going to cut too much wood, you get a regular chop saw for that, not this thing. But anyway, that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.